Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain one more important topic in 7th class, that is Africa continent. We are going to study the total information about Africa continent. We have 7 continents in the world. Out of 7 continents, Africa also one of the main important continent. Generally we can call this continent is a dark continent. Africa we can call as dark continent because first man lifestyle started on this African continent. Okay, see, this Africa continent is second largest continent in the world. This continent is the second largest continent, and generally we can call this continent is a dark continent. So where this continent is located? See, you just observe the world map. You just observe the world map or take that world map. You just see where is the equator. Equator which has having the 0 degrees latitude, that we can call as equator. You just observe the equator in the world map. So that equator is passing through this continent. The 0 degrees equator latitude is passing through this middle of this continent. So the equator divides this African continent into 2 parts. From equator to northern side to northern Africa and the southern side of southern Africa. You just observe carefully in the world map or on the globe. You can find out very easily where is Africa continent. So this continent is near the equator. The equator area it passes this frontal of the continent. So here heavy rainfalls and also heavy temperature will record in this continent. Temperature also high. Here only we can see 2 seasons. One is summer season and the next one winter season. So these northern side and southern side, these 2 places are hot zone areas. So that is why we can call these places are in the tropical zone. These zones are tropical zone. Heavy temperature will be there. So in this African continent, there are large area total plateaus, very small area plain areas. Total in this continent, where you will see total plateau regions. Plain areas are very less in this continent. So in African continent, there are many rivers are there, lakes are there, mountains are there, grasslands are there, and forests also there in this continent. Because already equatorial region always heavy rainfall as well as heavy temperature. So in this continent, there are different types of rivers are flowing in this continent. Okay. So now let us see now what are the important rivers are there in this continent. See, one is Congo River, Nile River, Niger River, Zambia River. These are the main and very important big rivers in African continent. That is river Congo River, Nile River, Niger River, Zambia River. So these rivers are very big rivers in African continent. And just now I told very clearly, Africa continent, first man's cradle of humankind, this place is cradle of humankind, Africa. So these are the main important rivers, river Congo, Nile River, Niger River and Zambia River. Next, very famous lakes like freshwater lakes in the world, biggest water lakes also in this continent. That is, Lake Victoria is the worldwide biggest freshwater lake in the world. Lake Victoria and Chang and Randolph, Volta. So these are the main important lakes also is there in this African continent. Next, see African continent divide the African continent into two equal parts. Northern side North and southern side South Africa. So northern side totally covered with desert. In this continent, northern side, that place area total covered with large area covered with a very big desert, that is Sahara Desert. So Sahara Desert is total occupied in the northern side of African continent. But in the desert area, one river will flow. That river is Nile River. So Nile River is flowing in this African continent in the Sahara Desert. But here, Sahara Desert and Kalahari Desert, two deserts also totally are there in this African continent. Sahara Desert and Kalahari Desert. So most of these deserts are northern side of this continent. Northern side of this continent. Okay. So these are the main important rivers, lakes, and next one deserts in Africa. Next one now, here in this Africa, important mountains means very big mountains, highest peaks, big mountains also is there in this continent. I will tell you some important continents, important mountains which are there in this continent. One is Atlas Mountain, it is in Africa continent. Drakensberg continent also, it is in the African continent. These two mountains, one is Atlas Mountain, second one is Drakensberg Mountain. These are the very big mountains in this African continent. Okay. See, so these are the main important points about in Africa: deserts, lakes, rivers, and next to Africa continent. It is lies this continent lies west side of India. Our Indian west side African continent is situated. Our country west side this Africa continent is situated. It is the second largest continent in the world. Okay. So next one more thing is that Africa continent is very famous for gold and diamond mines. Number of gold and diamonds mines are available in this continent. Many diamond mines and gold mines are located in the African continent. But this Africa continent, once upon a time, Europeans occupied this continent. The European countries, they came to Africa and they occupied these places. So these people, African people, most of the people are tribals. Most of the people in African continent, they are tribal people, they are uneducated. So when European people came to the place, the Africans, they became like slaves. So slavery was mainly for a long time people lived like slaves under the domination of European people in this continent. So the slavery system first developed in the African continent. From Africa continent to many European countries, slaves were exported. So slavery system for a long time in this continent. And next to gold mines and diamonds are also very famous in this continent. So many European people came to Africa. Who are the Europeans? Dutch people, Portuguese people, French people, Germany people. All these people, the Europeans, they occupied African continent and they ruled this place. And here the local people became like slaves. Long years the people lived like slaves under the control of colonial people, European colonial people. Okay, next. What is the climate? Already climate condition is hot climate in this region. This climate is very hot climate in the African continent. But here, so main occupation of the people here is hunting agriculture. These are the main occupations of, and animal husbandry, cattle rearing. These are the main occupations of in African continent. There are some grasslands also is there in African continent. So that is why people domesticated animals and they started agriculture work. Okay, and people also their main occupation was hunting animals and next doing the agriculture works and also domesticating animals. These are the main main occupation of the people African continent. But most of these continents completely in the plateau region, clay is very less. So these are the main important points about the Africa.